And yes, we are live this Monday morning. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the live show. This is the show where we look at the crypto market, okay, look at possible scalping opportunity to make you profitable. And we are on a journey to turn $100 to $1,000. How long will it take us? We don't know. But is it possible? Yes, it is actually very, very possible. And for this to work for you, okay, for you to follow suit, for me to be able to provide answers to your questions and be able to guide you very well, you need a Bybit account on this challenge. All right. So if you don't have a Bybit account already, all you just need to do is to go to the description of this video. So here you will see this video right now. Just go and then click on where it says show more. Okay, the first link is to sign up for a Bybit account, deposit some funds into your account, and then this challenge will start. Okay, so if you're going to be trading futures, I recommend trading with Bybit. And the reasons for that is because of the low fee that Bybit charges and all of that. It will make you save money faster than just spending money, okay, in fee. So today is another day, all right. Today is the 13th, and then we are going to equally look at what is currently ongoing in the market, all right. So we look at possible trading opportunity. I can see that Bitcoin is actually dropping this morning. Will it go below this $30,000 mark? Nobody knows. Okay. So we'll look at the market, we'll analyze it. Ours is just to look at possible trading opportunities. Okay. Possible trading opportunities are what we are looking at always in the market. Whether the market is going up or it is going down, in as much as we can see an opportunity that will make us profit in the market, we are there. All right. So thank you so much, Vincent, for joining. Happy New Week to you too. Okay. And I'm wishing you a very profitable week ahead. All right. A profitable week ahead. A lot of activities. Okay. A lot of activities and all of that. But we make sure that, okay, we actually, stick to what is ongoing in the market and make some profit in the market. All right. For all of you just joining, you're welcome. Okay. Welcome to the live show. So we are looking at Bitcoin, okay, within this range. Okay. We've been within this range for a while now, since June, right? Since June, we've been within this range. So right now, what we are looking at is a possible breakout to the upside or to the downside. All right. We're looking at for possible breakout to the upside or to the downside. So are you bullish or you are bearish? Tell me, what do you think? What do you think? Will BTC break to the downside or will it break to the upside? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Okay. Let me know in the comment section. All right. So welcome and welcome and welcome. So it's another great day. Let's see how we can make some profit in the market today. So just give me a moment. Let me got to power my system, okay, so that it doesn't go off within. Yeah, so the system has to be powered so that we don't get power failure, right? So that we don't get power failure. Okay, so BTC. I was holding positions actually for some altcoins, and then what is happening right now is actually affecting those trades. Okay, so let's see if we can actually break below this 29. Okay, 29,900 level, which is this level here. If we break this level, then the next level we are looking at is around 29,500. Okay, 29,500, and then if anything happens that will break below 29,500, then be looking for short opportunity in the market. This is what I currently, looking at on BTC right now. If anything happens, okay, if at the end of today, right, today is Monday, we may not be expecting that much, okay, but if at the end of today, if at the close of today, we break below this support level here at 29,500, then be looking for short opportunity, maybe to around 27, 26 or thereabout. Okay, so we're looking to go down to around that area, 26, 27 or thereabout. Then if we break this level, if we break above this level here, above 31,000 and all of that, then we should be looking at getting to 32, 33 and all of that. Okay, yeah, just welcome. Okay, we are looking for that entry. We'll look for an entry, but if I feel let's just wait. If we get a bounce here, okay, because currently from this particular week here, our 618 level and then the 786 level, that is exactly okay. BTC is in between, all right, in between the 786 level and then this 618 level. Okay, that is the level we are looking at using the Fibonacci retracement tool right now. Okay, so yes, if you want to scalp this market, you should be looking for a short trade, okay, to the downside. Be looking for a short trade to the downside. All right. But right now, let's ignore BTC, okay? Let it play out, let it do its thing, and then we go ahead and look for some altcoin that we can actually trade this morning. So let's go to the Bybit market, go to the Bybit exchange, and then go and look at what is happening right now. Let's look at coins that are actually having a lot of volumes, activities going on, okay? We have Compound Coin. Okay, Compound Coin was actually around $60 plus, so but it's still topping on the top gainers. Okay, we have Compound Coin. Let me go to the key metrics and see what we can actually get to trade this morning. Yep. So if you are just joining, make sure you smash that like button, okay? MTL, Prince Vincent, you want us to look at MTL USDT? Let's look at that coin. Smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button. MTL USDT. MTL USDT is the coin you want us to look at, okay? So we'll open this one for the Bybit exchange. Let's look at what is going on there right now. Yeah, so let's start from the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, I see a possible short opportunity on this trade. Yep. So, okay. I see a possible short trade, okay, and then another level you should be looking at this level here, okay. So we should be looking at this level around there. Then after that, maybe somewhere down here is another, key level we should be looking at right now. Okay, so we had these bands. I would have waited for this, okay, to test this level again. You see, we had a rejection here, we had another rejection here this long week, and then we had this particular one here. So this one, because of the current situation of the market right now, for this is my stand on okay, MTL token right now, okay, because of the sudden rejection we're having in the market right now. Okay, that's why you're seeing this drop here. So you can go to lower time frame and look to short this token, okay? Look at the short trade on this token. So if I go to the 5 minutes time frame, this is where we currently, go ahead and take a short. Go ahead and take a short trade for this particular token. You can enter with market order actually. Enter with market order and look at making some profit around. You can set, let's do a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio here. A 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So let's assume we enter here. Okay, wait for it to bounce back there. And then your stop loss should be just slightly at this level. Okay, so do a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Yeah. So if this market gets down to around 1.43, okay, 1.43 should be your take profit level. So you can go ahead and take a trade, okay, for the MTL. Go ahead and take a trade for the MTL. All right. Thank you for pointing out that coin. So let me equally place that trade before we go to the next one. MTL, I'm looking at, okay. Yep. So I'm not going to use the whole of my capital so that I'll be able to, you know. So 1.4304 will give you around 1.4304 will give you around 19%. Okay, 19% move in the market. That is exactly what you're going to get. 4304. That is if it gets to that level, okay? If it gets to that level, that is exactly what you are going to be looking at, around 17, 19%. Okay. Yeah, if you enter with market order already, you should be in profit right now. Okay, that is for the MTL. Go ahead and follow suit. All right. And I have a question here. I can see some buyers at the support level. Yeah, trying to long the market on the BTC market. Exactly. Okay, buyers are always at the support level. Okay, buyers are always at the support level. That is why it is a good advice that you buy at the support, okay, and then sell at the resistance. So buyers are always there to long and short the market. All right. All right, Vincent, you should be in massive profit already. Those of us who just joined, yeah, if you join at that 1.46, okay, you should equally be in profit. All right. Yeah, entry should be MTL. Entry should be, with market order. Entry should be market order. That's exactly what you're going to do. Entry should be market order, and then your take profit level should be somewhere down there. Okay. So if it gets to this level, you should be making around 2% in the market. 2% with a 10x leverage is around 20%. Okay. If you are using a 5x leverage, that's around 10% move and all of that. So yeah, make sure you manage your risk. Okay. Make sure you manage your risk. You can, if you are in this trade already and you are getting like 10% already, you can close, half of your position, close half of your position and wait for the trade to play out again. All right. That is for MTL. Okay. Already. So we are in that trade already. Let's see how it plays out. All right. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, thank you once again, Vincent, for pointing that out. Okay. Who wants to join me live? If you want to join live, let me know. AGL USDT. Let's look at that AGL token and see what it's currently doing right now. So if I go to trading view and I look at AGL, MTL, is it on my watch list? Let me add this to my watch list. Add to watch list. Yes. So AGL is the next token we are going to be looking at. So let's type AGL USDT. Is it AGL or ADGL? Which one is that? AGLD, I guess. Yeah, AGLD. That's the token we are looking at right now. Okay, so go to the 4 hours time frame and see what's possible. What's possible? Yeah, secure your profit. If you're in profit already, secure your profit, guys. Secure your profit. Okay, if you're in profit already, make sure you secure some profit. Okay. Yeah, so AGL is actually on, a move to the upside. I already have, I've been trading this token for a while now. That's why you see all of this, indicator drawing on the chart right now. Okay. So yeah, this retracement downward, I'm looking for it to come back to, bounce at this trend line. So we're looking at, this actually playing out. Like I'm going to wait for a long opportunity for this to bounce somewhere around this trend line and then go back again to this our resistance. All right, that's what I'm looking at for AGL. But if BTC continues to drop, then what we should be looking at right now is a possible short trade. Okay, a possible short trade. All right, to the downside. So what will you'll be looking at right now is if I go down to the lower time frame here, to the lower time frame, you are looking, I'm looking at the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, yeah, I'm looking at the 15 minutes time frame. I don't know how far this rejection will go. I don't know how far this rejection will go, but okay, so to take a trade, what I will just be waiting for is, let's say on the 15 minutes, I'll take a trade below this trend, okay, or take a long trade above this trend. So that's exactly this area, this current area of interest. That's what I'm looking at. But right now, I'm not going to say enter a trade with market order. Okay, let's just observe the trade and see how it plays out. Okay, let's observe this trade and see how it plays out. All right. If you have a particular token in mind that you feel we should look at, go ahead and point that out, and we'll definitely pay attention to that token. If there is any token in mind, okay, you have in mind for us to look at, just type it on the comment section. Type it on the comment section, guys. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, we'll do this daily, Mondays to Fridays. Okay, Mondays to Saturdays. We always look for opportunity to scalp the market. Yes, let's look at DYDX. Okay, so let's look at DYDX. I'll go ahead and type DYDX USDT. DYDX USDT. 4 hours time frame. Let me go to the daily and see what I have here already. So yeah, oh, we have a rejection, a very strong rejection. Okay, DYDX, for all I know, is always a short trade. Okay, we have a very strong rejection from this trend line. Okay, you see this trend line upward here. We had another rejection from that trend line. So yeah, is always a short trade. If I go back to the 4 hours time frame, we are always looking for a short trade, okay? For a short trade. But currently, this price is, respecting this level here. Can we break below this level? Don't enter. If you are not in this trade already, don't enter with market order, because you see this rejection we're having here. That is currently the level we are right now, okay? This area here is an area of interest. Remember, price has reacted at this area multiple times. So we had a rejection here, we had a rejection here, we had a rejection here, and then we had a rejection here. And that is exactly the area we are currently in right now, okay? That's the area we are currently in right now. So anything short will be anything below this area. Okay, I'm shorting this trade will be anything below this area. So in that case, I'll go either to the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, and I'm looking for this trade, okay, to go below this zone. Okay, anything below this area is a good entry. All right, anything below this area here, this particular zone here. So anything around 1.78 and 1.75, 1.78 downward, be looking for a short trade. That's exactly what I'm looking at right now. Okay, we need to make sure that we are not having a rejection around this area, because we've reacted at this area multiple times. Okay, reacted at this area multiple times. So any rejection around this area, if you enter around, let's say anything below 1.76, anything below 1.76, your next target will be around 1.66. Okay, your take profit level will be around 1.66. Okay, that is for the DYDX. So anything that will take you for a long trade is anything above this trend line. Okay, anything above this trend line. If we break above this trend line, then you should be looking at this market coming back. That is, if we reject this area, wait for a break above this trend line, take a long trade, and then your target will be the next trend line, this overall trend line here. Okay, because market may reject from here again, or even break here and continue to the upside. So this is the area, the zone we're currently looking at right now. So make sure you pay attention to the DYDX. Anything that will make this price go below this, okay, look for an entry below 1.76. 1.76. Please take note of that, 1.76. All right. All right. So that is it for DYDX. DYDX. Yes. Good morning, boss. You welcome to the live show. Did we short? Yes, we shorted. Okay. We shorted the MTL USDT trade. We shorted the trade. Okay. Look at it currently, and don't just enter blindly. Look at it where it is. I don't know currently where the market is right now. So don't just, okay, yeah, we're still going down. We're still going down. Yep. We're still going down for that particular token. So yes, you can, currently, if you want to, if I look at it on the 1 hour time frame, I still see a short opportunity. Okay. If I look at it on the 1 hour time frame, I still see a short opportunity. Now, this all depends on how BTC plays out. If BTC has a strong rejection at 30,000, okay, anything around 30,000 backward, okay, to the upside, then these tokens can just, that's why we're just looking for a scalping opportunity. We're not going to stay in the market for that long. Okay, just target, if you get 10%, you are done. Okay, if you get 20%, you are done. So don't go and stay in the market forever. All right, don't go and stay in the market forever, guys. If you're just joining, make sure you smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button. Make sure you smash that like button. Give it a like, give the video a like, give the video a like. All right, so that is it for DYDX. Please take note of that token, DYDX. Okay, that is it for DYDX. Let me see if this is on my watch list already. Yes, it is on my watch list already. So I'll pay attention to this token right now. Anything below 1.76 short. Okay, and then if we break this structure here, all right, around 1.87, it means that we're broken the trend line. Target this next trend line as your take profit level. Okay, around $2, take profit there and wait for another short opportunity or a longer trade to the upside. Okay, once we break this bigger trend line here, and then which is serving as our resistance level here, once we break it, we wait for a retest and then take a trade to the upside. All right, taking a trade to the upside would be that if you take a trade, you'll be targeting this level around 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, okay, up to $3. All right, up to $3. That's what we're looking at currently on the DYDX token. All right, so yep. Let's see how it goes. AGLD USDT, yes. It's actually doing still there. Tomo. Who wants to trade Tomo? Tomo showed me shake it, so I'm avoiding that token for now. Okay, Tomo ate a lot of my money, so um, I'm actually very careful right now. I'm avoiding Tomo. All right, I'm avoiding Tomo, most especially when I don't see it at the bottom. The only thing that will make me long Tomo right now is when I see it at the support. Okay, if I see Tomo as a support where it has rejected multiple times, I'll go ahead and long. If I see it at a resistance, I'll go ahead and short with a very tight stop loss. With a very tight stop loss. Tomo is not a trade you open and go and sleep. It will just show you shege in the night. Tomo dealt with me, so I'm avoiding Tomo. Okay. Yes, guys. Yes. Let's look for trades. We should be looking for short trades. Okay. We should be looking for trades to short. Oh, look at Wave. Look at Wave. Wave, it has about 157 million in trading volume. Look at Wave. Wave was it less than $1 yesterday? I think it was less than $1.9 or thereabout. Yep. Let's look at Wave. Wave is doing magic actually. Wave is doing magic in the market. Wave is doing magical magicians. Look at this pump. Look at this. Look at this. $2.50. $2.50. And then we had that rejection around that area. $2.50. Look at this. Can you imagine? So I'll bring my line here. So we're having this rejection around this area. So this area has become an area of interest right now on Wave. Okay. Yeah, so if I bring this to on the daily time frame, you see this is the area we are rejecting from. You see that? Okay. So if you push it across, you see that you see the reason why market is rejecting from that area. So here was our resistance, okay, initially. Then here it became a support, it rejected from here and all of that before this fake out. Then we had it here, we had that rejection here, we had that rejection here. All right. And right now, that is exactly where the market, sparked to and then rejected from there. So wave is right now, I can't see any possible entering trade here. One thing about wave is that it doesn't actually follow BTC. BTC can be doing its own thing and then wave is doing its own thing. So with this massive rejection we had here, we'll look at another opportunity. Okay, we have already missed this trade, so let's look for another possible entry. Okay, so if I take my fib level from this week, Fibonacci retracement to from this week to this other week at the top there. So right now we are having this rejection at the 618 level. That is exactly where we are rejecting from. Okay, yeah. So this market is reacting at this 618 level. So there's every probability that this market will continue to go, all right, that it will continue to go up back to where it rejected from. Okay, but while we do that, this is equally an area of interest, okay, where market has reacted on several times. Okay, so we equally have this area here, which is currently where we are trading. So look for a trade above these levels. Look for a trade above this level. That is wave for you. Okay, that is wave for you. Yeah, you want us to look at um want us to look at Storch. Okay, let's look at Storch USDT. Yeah, Wilson want us to look at Storch USDT. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at that coin, Storch USDT. What do we have here? What do we have here, guys? 4 hours. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So we had this starting point from, up from this 618 level. Yeah. So we had, this massive rejection here. And then from the 618 level, we had that bounce up. And right now, let's look at this thing. Okay. From this particular move here to, okay, sorry about that. Let me zoom out this. Okay, so bring my fib level again. So I want to take it from this level up there. So right now, price is reacting from the 718 level, 786 level. Okay, 786 level is an area of interest. So yap. Look at entering opportunity. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at entering opportunity at this level. Okay, now please be looking for a long trade here, a long setup. Okay, um, right now. Okay, so we had this rejection here. We came back down there again. So this candle that is dropping, I don't know how far it will go. Okay, I don't know how far this candle will go, but if I do this on a 1 hour time frame, let's look at the possible entering trade here. Yeah, maybe if we have a rejection back down here again, anything around 33 cents or thereabout, I'm looking for a long trade. Okay, because of this level. Anything around 33 cents, okay, I'm looking for a long trade. So yes, I'm looking for a long trade, anything around 33 cents. This is what I'm looking at, okay? 33, that is triple three, 0.333, okay, 0.333. Go ahead and look for a long trade. Let this retrace back a little, let it retrace back a little, and then you enter for a long trade. Even if you enter with market order right now, this is going to be a swing trade, okay? If I'm going to enter this trade right now, it's going to be a swing trade. So this is not one of the scalping trade. So even if you enter with market order right now, okay, you can bring your stop loss just slightly below this level here, okay? Just leave it at this level. So our stop loss should be around this level here. Okay, yeah, that's much actually. That's much. If you're going to use leverage, that's much. But I just in this case, I have to give my trade a space to breathe. Okay, then what I'm targeting is my take profit level one can be around the 618 level. Okay, the next one can be around this 0.39. Next one can be around 0.44, and then I'll take it gradually upward until I get to this level. Okay, so around 0.50 cents. Okay, around 0.50 cents, it should be your target. Okay, how long will it take for this trade to get there? I don't know, but right now, this is what I have in mind. Okay, so if you want to hold this trade for long and make this massive profit, if it gets to this level, it means that if you are using a 10x leverage, you would have been making around 400% in the market. Okay, around 400% in the market. If it gets to this level here, that is massive profit. Just imagine risking $100 in this trade, and then it gets to 400%. That is, you're making $400 in the trade already. You're making $400 in the trade already. So, yeah, but how long will it take to get here? I don't know, but this is just what I have on this particular token. Okay, this is what I have on this particular token. But if we have a massive drop on BTC, if we have a massive drop on BTC, be careful because this can actually hit your stop loss. All right. So just watch this area, but this area of 718, 786 and the 618 level is my area of interest. So I will see how I can start buying this token or even adding to my position gradually. Okay, so you can use dollar cost averaging. You can trade this on the spot market. Okay. My entry right now, I'm waiting for a rejection back to the 718. Okay, so my entry will be, this is going to be a pending trade. So my entry will be around 0.03310. That is where my entry is going to be. That is if this rejection we're having here goes down. Okay, if this rejection go down, so my entry will be around 0.3310. 0.3310. That is where I'm going to, when I am going to actually enter this trade right now for Storch USDT. That's what I have. Okay, so I just wait for this little pullback here and then enter the trade and ride this trend to the upside. That's exactly what I'm looking at right now on Storch USDT. Okay, yes, guys, that's what I'm looking at. But if we break this level, please pay attention to this level at 29 cents. Okay, or possible entry point will be around 24, 25 cents. Okay, 24, 25 cents. That's what I'm looking at currently right now. That's what I'm looking at currently right now. Okay, guys, smash that like button. Okay, it won't cost you anything. Just smash that like button on the video. Smash the like button. Do me a favor by doing that. All right, so that is it for Storch. Make sure you pay attention to that. Let me go ahead and add this token to my watch list so that I don't get to miss that trading opportunity. So I will look at it later on and set the trade. So I can just dedicate like $50 out of what I have on my account right now and leave it for this market to play out. $50 for that. If it goes and give me 400%, you know what that is. Even if it takes up to a week for that to happen. Okay. Because you see this drop here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, almost a week. Okay. For this market to drop from here down there. So just imagine yourself shorting this token from here down to this level. Okay. You shorted this token from here down to that is over 40% move again. Okay, another 40% move in the market. All right, meaning that if you are using a 10x leverage, you would have made like 400%, 400%. Guys, okay, let's look at another token. Let's go to this exchange. Yeah, Tomo is still doing very well. Tomo has over 51 million in trading volume. We have another $83 million in trading volume on XVG. XVG is another token that we need to pay attention to. XVG. Wave was actually dropping. Wave is still dropping. How far can it drop to? So yes, Storage has 19 million in trading volume. So look at that. Another token we need to look at for a long trade setup is Kava. Okay, let's look at Kava USDT. Kava USDT is another token we need to look at right now. So who is still on that trade? Who is still on the MTL trade? Yep, still going well. The trade is still going well. So if you are still on that trade, congrats, you've made some profit already. Okay, the MTL token is going very well right now. So Kava, what are we looking at? Long or short? Long or short? Yep. Welcome. If you're just joining, make sure you smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button. Smash the like button. So if you're just joining us, okay, we do this every day. Scalping the market for possible, profit and all of that. So let me look at this area here. Okay. So something like that. Okay, so wait for Kava. For Kava USDT, wait for it to actually reject back to this level. This is the area we're going to be looking for a long trade. Okay, do nothing right now on Kava. Just do nothing right now on Kava. We already rejected that area. Okay, we already rejected from this area, but I'm waiting that market would, there will be a correction back to this area. There is a correction back to this area. It may not get to this area, but at the body of the candle, so anything around 0.92, okay, 0.93, 0.92, make sure you are looking for a long trade to the upside. Okay, look for a long trade to the upside. Look for a long trade on Kava to the upside. Look for a long trade on Kava from this level here to the upside. Okay. So I'm looking at this level around there. From that level, we are already below that. So except I bring it to this previous low here, okay? This previous low here will tell us right now that we are at this golden level. So be looking for long opportunity. If this market comes down to this level, okay, this area I just drew here. So anything around 0.91, 0.92, 0.93, be looking for a long trade, okay, to the upside. On Kava, be looking for a long trade to the upside, okay? So I'll pay attention to this token right now. Let me just set this so that I won't forget. So yeah, pay attention to this token right now and your next target should be this previous high here. Okay? Your next target should be that previous high there for Kava. So yeah, look at, anything from 90 cent, between 90 cent, 91 cent, 92 cent, look for a long trade to the upside. So yeah, add this to my watch list so that I don't forget it as well. Yes, guys, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Who is trading Doge? Who is trading Doge currently? Doge, Doge, Doge. We are waiting for Musk to actually do a tweet on Doge so that we'll have another pump to around 10, 15 cents. 10, 15 cents. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. If you are just joining, guys, you're welcome to the live show where we do everything trading. How is MTL token going? Yeah, still going very well. Still going very well. Now, what you can do is to adjust your stop loss to the entry. Adjust your stop loss to the entry. Adjust your stop loss to the entry and secure profit for this particular trade. Or you can close 50% of your account, close 50% of your position, close 50% of your position to secure profit for yourself. And then once you close 50% of your position, all you need to do is to do what? Adjust your stop loss, okay, to the entry so that if anything happens and then the market final all of a sudden returns back, you don't get to lose anything. All right. You get to go home with some profit in the market. All right. Yeah. So that is basically it. Okay. Basically it. Guys, let me refresh this page. I think compound coin, I'm going to trade, open a long trade on compound. Let's look at compound coin and see what's going on right now with compound. Okay, so comp USDT. If there is any token you want us to look at, okay, you can just type it on the chat, put it on the chat, put it on the chat if there is any token you want us to look at. All right. Yeah, we've been having this massive movement to the upside. All of a sudden, this token woke up from sleep. Okay. So we started pumping right this area here. So what I can do right now is from this move here, if I bring my Fibonacci retracement tool up there, let me bring the other lines on. So which level are we right now? Okay, we are currently at the 382 level. With my Fibonacci retracement tool, we are currently at the 382 level. All right. So what I'm looking at right now for this particular compound coin is if we get this token move up this way like this, and then gradually it comes down to the 50% level, maybe a rejection from here or it breaks down. I'll pay more attention to 618 and then the 786 level. Any rejection from this area, be sure to grab this to the upside. Any rejection from those areas, be sure to grab that to the upside. Okay, that is what I'm currently looking at on the compound coin. All right, crypto arbitrage opportunity want us to look at CHR. Okay, so this is for compound coin. This is currently what I'm looking at. All right, I'll look for a long-term trade to the upside, but not now. Just pay attention to this token right now. So CHR USDT. So let's look at that. CHR USDT. CHR USDT. So open this particular chart. Yep. CHR has been, this down. Take it down. And then the area we're currently looking at for a possible rejection would be CHR. Okay, be looking for a long trade if this market gets down to this area. So let this play out, okay? Let this play out, guys. Let this play out. So this to this area I just drew here will be how many percent? So we have this move here to this area will be around 9%, okay? Around 9%. So if you are going to scalp this market if you are looking for a short trade for this, okay, be looking to take profit around this area, all right, or at this level here. So I'll wait for this to play out. I'll take a trade when it gets to this level. You see this area I drew here, okay, where we had this rejection here, and then we had this week rejecting from that area again. So I'm hoping that this drop, okay, this market going down will come down to this level and have a rejection around this area. So that is basically what I'm looking at for CHR. So look for a possible long trade from this area to the upside, a possible long trade from this area to the upside. But let this play out, okay? Let this play out. Let it play to down to that level. So if we go to the 4 hours time frame, yeah, let this play out, okay? Let it play down to this level. Be looking for a long trade once this gets to this level here. This support area, be looking for a long trade, okay? Okay. Yeah, Madam Israel, thank you for joining today. I hope you're having a less busier day today. Okay, thank you for joining us live. Thank you for joining us live. ICP token. You want us to join to look at ICP token? Let's look at that and see what's currently working out. Okay. Yeah, for CHR, this is what I'm looking at. Okay, I'll wait for this to play out and then take a long trade from anything from this area. Okay, anything around 10 cents. Okay, between 10 and 11 cents. Okay. 10 and 11 cents. I'm looking for a longer trade to the upside. All right, that is for the CHR USDT. So this can equally be on my watch list for later analysis. Okay, for later analysis. So yeah, let's look at ICP. Let's look at ICP USDT. ICP USDT. Yeah, these were the tokens I bought in 2021 in sports that actually ate my money. Okay, bought this token very high and then it started dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. Yeah, for ICP USDT, look at this. This is an area of interest. Okay, this area here, this is a zone of interest, which is where we are currently sitting. Okay, which is where we are currently sitting right now. So wait for a possible move to the upside. Wait for a possible move to the upside. So if I want to have a lot of touches here, bring this trend line a bit to that area there. Okay, yes. So now my confirmation here, we are looking for long trade, okay, but wait for it to play out, wait for this to play out on the 1 hour time frame. If this breaks above this trend line, okay, what you need to do now, if it breaks above this trend line, you're looking for what? A possible break to, let's say this market goes like this, it breaks this area, it comes back, okay, a retest will happen. So you go to the 15 minutes time frame and take a trade to the upside. Okay, take a trade to the upside, wait for a possible breakout and then a retest. Okay, possible breakout and a retest that will confirm your entry for this particular token for the ICP USDT. Okay, we are currently at this area of interest, which is actually a good one, meaning that we can't be having a rejection around that area. Okay, we can actually be having a rejection around the area we are currently in right now. Okay, so pay attention to this token right here. A break to the downside will mean a short trade. Okay, a break of this area to the downside will mean going short. Okay, going short. All right, that coin might pump tomorrow. Which of the coin are you referring to, Vincent? Which of the coin will pump tomorrow? ICP? Yeah, give us a clue. Give us a clue. If ICP will pump tomorrow, then we'll go ahead and start preparing ourselves to long the token. Okay. So yeah, if you have that kind of information, if the information is actually valid, why not? We'll pay attention to that token. Which of the token? Can you confirm that, please? Yeah, okay, okay, yeah, already closed. If you have closed the MTL USDT, yeah, because it actually retraced back. If you have closed that trade already, congratulations, you made some profit. ICP, guys, I'm going to add this to my watch list. All right, I'm going to add this to my watch list. I will look at entering this token. I'll keep monitoring this token, okay, to enter a long trade. So if the token might pump tomorrow, all right, if the token might, well, the close of this candle would actually tell us what will happen tomorrow. Where is the ICP? I've closed it. Okay, so guys, pay attention to ICP and be looking for a possible long trade to the upside. Okay, a possible long trade to the upside. If that information is valid, yes. If this pumps, you should be able to make money from it. Okay. UST. You want me to check UST? Okay, I'll check UST. All right, I'll check UST. All right. Guys, pay attention to this ICP stuff. It's already on my watch list. So yeah, UST. Let's look at UST. Is that UST? So UST can only be traded, no perpetual contract here. UST is only buying and selling on the spot market. Is that what you want us to look at? UST is only buying and selling on the spot market. There is no long or short option on the market right now. Okay. UST is it not the what's it called? The stable coin of what platform is that? Is that Lunar Classic or what? What is that not the UST you're referring to? I don't know what you want to look at here, but this token, this I can't trade this kind of thing. Okay, you can see this kind of wicks. I can't trade this kind of thing. This would easily take you out of the market. Is that what you refer to UST? Is it the token you are talking about? Okay, I can't trade this. The UST is supposed to be a stable coin, right? It's supposed to be a stable coin. Okay, all right. So BNB, let's look at BNB. BNB USDT. BNB USDT. Okay, that's the token you want us to look at. Can you help look at any market to short? Well, that's exactly what we are looking at. Okay, we are looking at everything right now. Okay, we may not see a trade. The only trade we shorted immediately with market order was the MTL. Okay, yeah, MTL USDT was the market we shorted. Please, if you have not closed that trade already, you should be in losses right now. For those of you who entered at, I think you should still be in profit or thereabout because we had a sharp pullback. Okay, a sharp pullback. So that's exactly what we are looking at. Okay, so you just need to stick around. Stick around. We are looking at that exactly what's long or short in the market right now. Okay, that's exactly what we are looking at right now. BNB, 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 BNB. Look at this. Since June, okay, this is June. We've been playing around this area. Okay, look at BNB has been around this area like this. This is the high, okay, since June, and then this is the low, just like BTC. We've been just between here and here. So equally pay attention to this week. This week is equally a good level that I need to pay attention to because this can actually drop down there. But I see BNB pumping actually. I see BNB pumping. Even when Binance is laying off some staff and other about, Binance actually experienced a lot of inflow. Okay, I think about 2 billion plus or thereabout of inflow of coins. Even when they were laid, we had the news that they were laying off some staff and all of that. Okay, so for BNB right now, if I go to the 1 hour time frame, let's go to 1 hour and look at possible scenarios right here. Look for a long trade. Look for a long trade. Okay, look for a long trade. I may not be able to give you a certain like this area on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this area. Look for a rejection back to this area again. This area here. Okay, which is exactly where we are rejecting from. Okay, anything around 230. Okay, 230 or thereabout. If I'm going to trade BNB right now, I will trade BNB with a very low leverage. If I enter BNB here, I won't want it to hit a stop loss. What I can do is, if for instance, I enter BNB right now with $50 with a 2.5x leverage, what I can do is to wait. If this breaks below this, okay, I'll wait for another opportunity at 222, 223, okay, 222, 223. I'll add to my, levels again. I'll add to my, my trade. I'll add to my position right here around this area. So you can do this on spot market. You can buy BNB right here at 230, and then if it drops back again, okay, to around 220, 223, 222, look for another possible entry point at this area. Okay, that's exactly what I'll be looking at BNB right now. Would there be a bounce from this area? I'm very sure there will. Okay, just look at BNB. Add BNB on your watch list throughout this week. Okay, we could have a break. We may have a break above this area here. to the upside. Okay, so if you take a long from 230, your target should be around 240, 250. 230, your target should be around 240, 250. Okay, all right. So please, Prince Vincent is intelligent and active. We need him in our WhatsApp group. He is there already. He is there already. Please, Prince Vincent, you need to acknowledge on the WhatsApp group that you are there already for Madam Israel to notice you, okay? I think he was in the meeting yesterday, right? Prince Vincent was in the meeting yesterday, yeah. I couldn't hear him. He was in the meeting yesterday. All right, he was in the meeting yesterday. All right. As of 1 a.m. 1 a.m. What do you mean? Okay, can sorry, crypto arbitrage opportunity. You say 1 a.m. What happened 1 a.m.? What happened as of 1 a.m.? I couldn't get that. What happened then? Let us know. Okay, give us the G's. Let us know. Let us know. Let us know. Okay. Yeah. So Prince Vincent is already on the WhatsApp group and very soon. But the only problem I have with Prince Vincent is that he's not trading. How many of us are on this competition? Let me see the competition. None of us. You don't want to make money from Bybit, Abby. You don't want Bybit to give you free money. Guys, you don't want Bybit to give you free money. Let me refresh that. Prince Vincent has not been trading with his Bybit account. That is why he's not here. Because I see he told me he's somewhere around there. He has not been trading with his Bybit account. Okay. Guy, you need to explain why after this call. Okay, after this live stream, you need to explain why. If you are not trading with Bybit account, then you are wrong. All right, guys, you can actually trade with any exchange of your choice. But the reason why I recommend Bybit is I told you guys about my experience with fees, okay, and all of that. So you need to trade with Bybit so that you'll be paying lower fee. And then the user interface, even on the mobile app, is very friendly. It's easier for you to navigate between the chart and then the trade option and all of that. So that's why. All right. Yes, I was asking crypto arbitrage what happened at 1 a.m. I found near CHR bearish. Did you short the trade? If you shorted the trade as at 1 a.m., I told you that a lot of activities happen during midnight, okay? A lot of activities happen during midnight. Even this drop that you're seeing right now, even I was in what token was I trading? Those of you at the live section yesterday, I told you I was trading AVAX. Yes, I was shorting AVAX actually. Immediately I closed my trade, only for me to wake up this morning and saw that AVAX even dropped up to around 12 point something dollars. All right, but that is just it. Okay, I've made my profit and then let others make their profit. So yeah, as at 1 a.m. is a good time to see a lot of opportunity in the market. You can either see a coin that is pumping or a coin that is going to dump and all of that. All right, all right. Yep. Yeah, you see, Prince Vincent, you have not done up to 20,000 in trading volume. So it means that you cannot qualify for the Bybit giveaway, okay? You can't qualify for the Bybit giveaway. So you need to engage your Bybit account. Just focus on Bybit. For your futures trading, focus on Bybit. You can use any other exchange for spot, for P2P trading, for margin trading and all of that. But for futures trading particularly, I recommend that you use Bybit, okay? For futures trading particularly, I recommend you use Bybit. All right. Yeah. So make it your favorite exchange, and if you need my number, go to WhatsApp. Okay. Go to the Telegram. Go to the description of this video. Join the Telegram group. You get my WhatsApp number on the Telegram. Just send me DM on Telegram. You get my WhatsApp number on Telegram. If you are getting my WhatsApp number, it means that you are contacting me on a business that will bring plenty of money. All right. Okay. So for your name alone make funds billions. Okay, everything is in funds, billions, billions, funds. Okay, funds billions. So I know that there will be a lot of money coming from you. Yeah, you can get my WhatsApp number from the Telegram. So just DM me on Telegram and let me know that you requested for that on the live show, and you'll get it. Okay, anything outside business that will bring money, don't contact me. If not, I'll sue you. All right. Okay, guys. So yeah. Yep. Yes, I should talk about FedEx. Yes, what I do on FedEx is my copy trading exchange. Okay, so if you want to copy my trades, guys, go to fedex.com. All you just need to do, if you go to the description of this video, let me open up that. I do my copy trading on FedEx, so you can copy my trade on FedEx or you can trade yourself. Okay, it's either you are copying my trade on FedEx or you are trading yourself on FedEx. So if you go to the description of this video, you will see the link to sign up for a FedEx account here. Here, okay, this one here, you see FedEx. So once you click on it, it takes you to FedEx Exchange. All right, it takes you to the FedEx Exchange. Let that load up so that I'll show you where I am on the FedEx Exchange, so that you can go ahead and copy my trade. If you have $100 and above, you can copy my trade. If you don't have an account already, make sure you sign up for a FedEx account. So if I go to copy trading and then click on copy trading, I should be here. Okay, these are traders you can copy, but the minimum you can start copying a trader with on FedEx is $100. All right, so I should be on the second page or thereabouts. Look at me right here. Okay, look at me right here. Yeah, I trade whenever I have the time. All right, all the scalping daily, everyday scalping, I don't do it on FedEx. FedEx is I take my trade, I take my time to look at it, and then I take my trades there. So if you want to copy my trade, you need a minimum of $100. Fund the account with $100. Sign up for an account, fund the account with $100, and then you can go ahead and copy my trade. Look at me here, Digital Leonard. You can copy my trade on FedEx. Okay, I can copy my trade on FedEx. Okay. Bybit is not that complex, okay? I don't know, is it on the web or on the app? Which one are you finding complex? It's not complex. The futures trading on Bybit is very easy. So it is not that complex. It's not that complex as you are looking at it. If you want me to walk you through on Bybit, it is very easy to use. Very, very easy to use. I like the user interface there, so I don't know how it is complex, okay? Yeah, go ahead, join the challenge. Go ahead and click on the second link on the video. Once you go to the video description, this is the second link here. If you have a Bybit account already, fine. But if not, sign up with the link above the first link here, then use the second link to join. What you just need to do is once you come in here, you just click on the join option and you are good to go. Okay, join option and you are good to go. Once you can make 20,000 in trading volume, people do 20,000 in just one trade. If you can make 20,000 in trading volume, you qualify to share the $21,000 that Bybit is giving away to all participants. Okay, yeah, to all participants. So that is it. Please identify yourself with your mug on WhatsApp. Don't worry, after now he will send a message on the WhatsApp, okay? He will send a message that, oh, I am Prince Vincent. He will just raise his hand that I'm Prince Vincent. You should be able, we are not many on the WhatsApp, so you should be able to point out who Prince Vincent is, okay? But the amount limit is too high. Well, that is just it, okay? That is it for FedEx. Initially, they started with as low as $10, but right now, you can only copy a trader if you have up to $100 and above. Okay, you can only copy a trader if you have up to $100 and above. Then, if you have $50 and thereabout, I think Bybit's own is the minimum is $50. You can go to Bybit and copy traders on Bybit as well. Okay, you can go to Bybit and copy traders on Bybit as well. All right. So sorry about that. Yes, Madam Israel, I think you have qualified already on the competition. You have qualified already on the competition. So you have already done like 32,000 in trading volume. So yeah, congrats to you. Okay, kudos to you. Hopefully, if Bybit starts sharing their money, they will remember you. They will remember you. But you guys actually didn't give me. I wanted to rank number 1. But look at me. I am number 16. Ah! Now, all of you that joined my squad were not trading. You'd refuse to trade. Ahmed is topping with 100 million in trading volume. Okay, Dream Chaser is number 2 with 10 million in trading volume. Okay, and then Paul Ola with just 25% is the number 3rd with 7 million in trading volume. We have Manuel Crypto with 6 million in trading volume. We have Team South Africa, 2 million in trading volume. We have Jacto Precious with 1 million in trading volume. Then we have the SDX with 1.5 million in trading volume and all of that. Okay, currently I am number 15. Chai, is it number 15 or number 16? I am number 16. Guys, I need more volume. I need more volume. All right, I need more volume. I need to get to the top. I need more volume. These guys are pushing me down and down and down. So trade with your Bybit account. Join my squad and trade with your Bybit account and give me more volume. Let us qualify to win some free money. Okay? Yeah, to be a part of the WhatsApp group is simple. You sign up with on Bybit account with my link, make a deposit of at least $100 into your Bybit account, and be ready to trade with Bybit account. Then you can join for free. Else, you need to pay a monthly subscription, okay, of whatever I charge you. I can charge you $100. I can charge you $40 every month to be on that WhatsApp group. All right. So it's either you are joining using my Bybit partners link, or you just pay for that. Okay. All right, guys. So the trades we are looking at, okay, pay attention to the DYDX. Okay, we look at DYDX. We talked about BNB, and then we'll talk about ICP. Okay, ICP, according to Prince Vincent, may pumped. Okay, it is under probability. He was not very sure because he's not a whale. All right. If he was what some of these whale, I would say, okay, if he puts in like $100 million, then definitely the coin will pump. All right. So it's under probability. So pay attention to ICP as well. It's equally at a very interesting level that will actually have a pull to the upside. And then, yeah, good day, Dan. Dan Azul. Is it Azul or whatever your name is? You're welcome. Okay, Dan. You're welcome to the live show. Make sure you smash that like button, guys. Give the video a like. Give the video a like. We do this every day. Okay, so by tomorrow we'll meet as early as 7:15 a.m. 7:15 a.m. Okay, Mondays and later we'll do it around 9 a.m. But tomorrow we'll meet around 7:15 a.m. Okay, for the MTL token, all right, you can still take it to the downside. Yeah, when it retraces back, okay, you would have been following that token bomber to bomber. So when it retraces back again to 46 cents, 1.46, okay, 1.46, look for a shorter trade, okay, depending on what BTC is doing right now. BTC is around that $30,000. Yeah, BTC, except if we have major stuff that will pump the market. Forex, let me look at Forex Factory and see what major news we'll have this week. Okay, what are the major news we'll have this week that will definitely impact the market either positively or negatively? Let's look at that. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. Today is 10th of July. 10th of July. So let's look at high impact news. Okay. Let me look at just the high impact news alone for today. All right, so for today we are looking at, okay, this will be no much news that will impact the dollar for today. So tomorrow will be what? Tomorrow, okay, high impact news on the GBP, okay, let's look at up. We have a lot of, high impact news on the, we have a lot of high impact news on Wednesday, so pay attention. So market can actually have a change, either continue this downward trend or upward trend. Okay, we have even CPI report on Wednesday. Okay, around 1:30 p.m. Yeah, CPI report on Wednesday, and then core CPI report as well. And this other, okay, that will affect all these other currencies. You see high impact news on Wednesday. So be careful with the trades you're holding right now. Okay, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll be having a lot of high impact news in the market. So pay attention. This has a way of, when the dollar is affected negatively, there's a way it affects the crypto market positively. And then when the dollar is affected positively, okay, there is a way it affects the crypto market negatively. So it means that if the news is good for the dollar will rise and then crypto will somehow dump, depending on the actual news actually. Okay, if the news is bad for dollar, okay, it means that it is good news for crypto and all of that. So that's what we use Forex Factory to actually look at, possible news in the market. Okay. Yeah, most signals, most signals. Let's look at most signals. Give most signals to lift. Okay, are you referring to me or are you referring to Prince Vincent? Most signals, most signals, most signals. Okay. Yeah, if I go ahead and refresh the Bybit page here, let's refresh the Bybit page again and see what's possible. AGL is stopping right now. AGLD is stopping right now. AGLD is stopping right now. So pay attention. Did you set a trade? Do you have a trade set up for AGLD? And then Bitcoin Cash. I see a bounce on Bitcoin Cash too. I see a bounce to the upside on Bitcoin Cash. So AGLD, what setup do I have on AGLD? I think I have this on my watch list. What setup do I have on AGLD? Um, AGLD, AGLD USDT. AGLD USDT. Should we continue this trend or we should take it downwards? Okay, anything above this area, this is on the 1 hour time frame. Anything above this area, okay, anything above 66 cents, I'm looking for a long trade. Just wait for this to play out. Anything above 66 cents, I'm looking for a long trade. But if it doesn't play out, anything below 62 cents, I'm looking for a short trade, okay, to this downside here. Anything below 62 cents, I'm looking for a short trade. Anything above 66 cents, I'm looking for a long trade. Okay. Wait for this to play out and trade it accordingly. Wait for that to play out and trade it accordingly. All right, guys. So that is it for today. If you have questions, go ahead and put your questions on the chat. Go ahead and put your questions on the chat before we call it a day. Put your questions on the chat before we call it a day. Put your questions on the chat before we call it a day. Yep. Let me answer all of your crypto trading related questions before we call it a day. We should continue. Unfortunately, we cannot, okay? We cannot. We cannot continue, okay? We cannot continue. Let's look at, these trades that we have looked at, okay, for them to play out. Let's see that it plays out and then we'll take it from there, guys. Okay, we cannot continue a moment. Okay, let me All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back. Yes, multimedia. What time frame is best to analyze? Now, the time frame depends on the kind of trader you are. Okay, what type of trader are you? All right. Before we talk about the time frame that is best to analyze, what type of trader are you? If you are a swing trader, you should be looking at 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours daily time frame and all of that. The weekly time frame. If you're a swing trader, okay, so you work with this higher time frame. If you are just an intraday trader, a day trader, you should be looking at anything between the daily time frame to the 1 hour time frame, right? And then if you are going to scalp the market, anything between 15 minutes and 1 minute time frame, that is what you look at. For scalping, for me, between 15 and 1 minute time frame. That is the time frame that works best for me. So if you're going to be scalping the market, 15 and 1 minute, okay, 15, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute time frame are best for you. Okay, if you are just an intraday trader or a day trader, okay, you're looking at 1 hour, okay, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, up to the daily time frame. Then swing traders, you are looking at anything from 8 hours up to the weekly and even the monthly time frame. Okay, so it all depends on what you want. If you want to be taking 1 or 2 trades in a month, 1 or 2 trades in a month, and you're okay with it, then look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame is best for you. All right. So those are how those time frame work. So now this depends on who you are. What type of trader are you? Are you that kind of big investor that only take 1 or 2 trades in a while? Okay, maybe in a month they just take 1 or 2 trades and they are done. But if you are like the day trader that has $100 capital, $10 capital, $20 capital, you want to scalp the market to grow that account, okay? You can start using the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 15 minutes time frame. That will work best for you. Okay, so time frames actually matters based on the account you're trading, account size you're trading. So if you have a smaller account size, okay, definitely you'll be a scalper. You'll be like stressing yourself, okay, looking for opportunity to grow that account. Once you grow that account, you'll get to that level of the big investors who don't trade every day. Definitely, this trading every day, there's a level it will get to. There's a level my account balance will get to. I don't need to be stressing myself to be trading every day, guys. All right. So I just be taking 1 trade a day. That is when I become a swing trader, a bigger investor that just buy low, okay, sell high, buy low, sell high. You don't need to be stressing yourself to be scalping the market every day because you want to grow $100. All right. So yeah, the type of trader you are depends on the time at the time frame that will be best for you. Okay. Can you guys still hear me? Please, somebody say my mic is off. Oh, can you hear me? Can you hear me, please? Can you acknowledge that you can hear me? I think the mic is actually unmuted right here as I'm looking at it right now. What? You should be able to hear me right now, right? Okay, okay. All right, all right. All right, guys. So that is it. That is it. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Tomorrow will be 7 a.m. We'll meet again. Okay. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you have not. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we go live like this, you'll be notified. For those of you joining via Twitter, you're joining via Facebook and the rest. Make sure you like, okay, and you're following us on all of the social media platforms. You can find me on all social media platforms at Digital Leonard. On YouTube, I am at Digital Leonard. On Facebook, at Digital Leonard. On Twitter, at Digital Leonard. Okay? Yes. So, yep. All right. Thank you for acknowledging that. Thank you for acknowledging that. I thought I was team muted. Okay. I thought I was team muted. Yep. Okay, guys, thank you. Do have a wonderful day. Have a profitable week ahead. All right. Have a profitable week ahead. Tomorrow we'll look at another opportunity. So MTL gave us some profit this morning. So tomorrow we'll look at another token and see which one will give us another profit. Have a wonderful week ahead. Have a profitable week ahead. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.